Hey everyone, I'm Sudeep. In this video, we will learn about the comparison operators, that is $in and not in. Let's explore the two powerful comparison operators in MongoDB, that is $in and $not in. These operators help you to filter the documents based on whether the field values matches or does not matches in a specified list of values. Let's start with the $in operator. This operator is used when you want to find the documents where the field value is in the specified list. For example, imagine you have a student's record and you want to find the students who is either 22 or 23 years old. Then you can use $in operator. In this way, db.students.find and the field name is age, and inside the object $in and pass the specified list. This query will return all the students whose age is either 22 or 23. Next one, that is $not in. This is opposite of $in operator. It will filter all the documents where the specified value is not in the specified list. For example, if you want to find the students whose GPA is neither 3.8 or 4.0, you can use $in like this. This will exclude all the students who have the GPA of 3.8 or 4.0 and return the rest of the documents. Now let's write the query to find the student's record who is having the age either 22 or 23. db.students.find, just pass the condition. The field name is age and one more object. Inside that $in and give the list 22, 23 and close this list. Along with this, add the projection for student name and its age. Student name :1, age also 1, and exclude ID field and press enter. We missed one here. The query has written all the students whose age is either 22 or 23. Let's just modify this query to return the student records who is having the age neither 22 or nor 23. Query has written all the students record whose age is neither 22 or nor 23. So to summarize, $in operator helps you to filter the values that are in the list, while $not in operator helps you to filter out the values that are not in a list. These operators are extremely helpful for refining the MongoDB queries. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more.